If you are decide to want to change your Messenger username, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you easy way to change your Messenger username. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application. After the Messenger app is open, look at the bottom right corner, click on the menu button. Here, go to settings. Once you are in Messenger settings, scroll down a little, find the username option, tap to open it. After that, click on edit username. Here you can simply remove your old username. After you remove it, simply type your new another username. Once you type it, make sure to your username it available. If it available, you can save it. Once you type them and also this username is available, simply confirm by tapping the save button at the top right corner and wait to complete the saving process. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Messenger username. Thanks for watching. Like this video.